For new recipe every Wednesday, please subscribe my channel. It's free and press bell icon so you get notification when I upload new videos.
Namaste ji, welcome to Itna Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsanila, your daughter-in-law from Albania. कैसे हो friends? मैं ठीक हूँ. Did you miss me or no? Of course I missed all of you because I cannot wait for Wednesday to come and to cook something new for you. And as we see, today's recipe is very special. It's Gobi Ki Sabzi. Sabzi here in India is eaten every day. So when we say Gobi Ki Sabzi, it's something special and something बहुत tasty, बहुत yummy. So let's check the ingredients. We need flour, tomato, potato, onion, green peas, oil, green mirchi, curry pata leaves, coriander leaves, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. First step क्या है? First step, start pan. And we are going to add oil. So अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा oil करें, थोड़ा, because it's more tasty if we add little more oil. We can say 7 spoon, छोटा वाला spoon, 7 का चलेगा. It's all tasty. When the oil will be heated, immediately I am going to add green chili. This is a different recipe. I am not going to add jeera. I am not going to add any other garam masala. I know some other people do use that way, but this is a very different recipe. So try this way. I am sure you are going to love it. So cut mirchi, छोटा piece. I am going to add 3 green mirchi. It will be a little spicy, but अच्छा है ना? Indian food, if it is not spicy, then what is the beauty? It's nothing, so it should be spicy. Nice. And here comes my favorite part when I add curry pata leaves. I just love the smell. I just love it. ऐसे and my favorite. Now we have chopped 2 medium onions in a small piece and immediately add. It is one of my favorite food. Gobi Ki Sabzi. It is one of my favorite. I know for every dish I do say it's my favorite, but my favorite. मैं क्या करूँ? I love all the kind of recipes. Just cover it for 5 minutes. Then the onion will become थोड़ा, not too much. We are back after 5 minutes, and onion is cooked beautifully. Now it's time to add tomato. Tomato we have cut 2 in small pieces. Just add this and mix it. Again, cover it for 5 minutes. Friends, we are back. Let's check sabzi. See. Wow. Keep mixing. So tempting. It is so tempting. Now it's time to add tomato. cooking piece. Do get a fresh one from the market. Don't get that frozen one. I suggest this one. It's very nice and it's very fresh. So add half bowl. This is very good. It will give a very nice taste. Just mix and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Band karo. Friends, we are back after 5 minutes. Now it's time to add masala. Ooh, very nice. I'm going to add salt first. Just add 1 spoon. Now keep flame a little down because when we add masala, it should not burn. Now it's time to add 1 spoon turmeric powder. Let's add a little more because we haven't added hard masala, so we are going to use a little more powder masala. Coriander powder, 1 spoon, 1 full spoon. And my favorite, red chili powder. This I'm going to use 2 spoons. I love it. It will give a little color also, and you know it will be that good taste. Aage mix karo. Mix. In a slow flame gas, just cover it for at least 2 minutes. We are back after 3 minutes and now it's time to add flour. It is so nice and it is so fresh. We have chopped a little bit pieces, you know, because when we serve, those pieces should look beautiful on the plate. Don't have chopped. Okay, so now we can add. Entire house is smelling so nice, and I know my neighbor will come and say, what's happening here? It's happening with itna tasty hai. We are making a beautiful sabji. Add now flour. In the same time, we can add 1 potato which we have chopped into small pieces. So add both together in one time because it will cook together. Now mix karo. Just mix slowly. Okay. And again, cover it in a slow flame for at least 5 minutes. Now here is the tricky part. You have to keep it in a slow flame for at least 5 minutes and keep mixing it all the time. Because if you cook it fast, it will burn. And now flour needs a little time to cook, you know, and should be steamed, it should be close. So we are going to be back after 5 minutes. Let's check sabji. Let's mix it. It turns in a beautiful red color. I love color in food. Just mix it. And if you think it is a little dry, you can add a little more. Tora, eshte. Tora, add a little water and close it. So let it cook again for some time. Friends, we are back after 10 minutes. We have kept sabji in a slow flame. It's been cooking for 10 minutes. We have kept mixing it and now it's time to check. I think it is ready. It is ready and it is looking बहुत अच्छा. Now close the gas and it's time to serve. But before, I'm gonna tell you something. When I came first time in India and I entered the kitchen, trust me, I could not stay more than a minute because all the heavy masala smell, it was too much for me. I felt vomiting. Yes, it's true. Even the coriander, yeah, we do have coriander here. I could not keep it close to me like this. That smell which was there, it was like, too much. And forget eating anything with coriander. Abhi dekho. And all my family members, they were so worried about me, like how she's going to survive here. If she cannot just enter the kitchen, how she's going to eat Indian food. And now, abhi dekho. Not even entering the kitchen, not even eating Indian food, not even cooking, but starting a YouTube channel. Shabash, proud of you. It is true, I am not praising myself, but I am telling the truth. Gobi Ki Sabzi is ready. बहुत I'm going to taste it. We do it with roti, of course, or with dal. बहुत tasty. Guys, I request do try this recipe. It's very different. It's very spicy. Typical tikka Indian food. Friends, this was the day's recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to meet next week. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Itna tasty hai cooking with Sanilai, and don't forget to comment and tell your feedbacks. Like I got few comments before, so background music add karo. We did add background music, channel become even better. So it's not my channel, it is our channel. So you are most welcome to give your feedback what we can do better. Thank you so much. Namaste. Dhanyavad.